In this video, we are going to download and use Audacity, a free software for removing noises in your audio. So, for that, first go to the Google and type your Audacity, Audacity, and hit enter. Here are the first link, which is the official website of the Audacity. Click on it. If you are using Windows, then you can download the Windows installer here, and if you are using Mac OS or Mac, then you are downloading setup file from here. And if you are using Audacity, if you are using Linux system, then you can download file from here for Linux. So I am using Windows, so I am clicking here Audacity for Windows. If you are using other than Windows, you can download from here. So I am clicking on Audacity for Windows, and now here are the Audacity 2.2.2 installers. So here are given the recommended RAM processor speed. It required 4 GB RAM and 2 GHz of speed, processor speed. Name recommend here 2 GB RAM and 1 GHz speed of processor. So we are going to install them. First of all, click on Audacity 2.2 installer, and you can download the file. This will show message like this, and click on save file. I am already downloaded this file, so I am not going to click on it. I am not going to download again. I am clicking cancel now. Click on the file downloaded. It asks for the confirmation. Click yes. Now this dialog box will appear. Select your language. If you are from other country, from which country you belong, click here and select your language. I am selecting English and click OK. Then click next. Nothing to here. Click next. And if you want to create the desktop icon, click here, or uncheck this box. Then install. In few seconds, it will install Audacity on your computers. Now it has finished the installation on the Audacity on your computers. Click next, and if you want to launch the Audacity right now, it will launch, or if you uncheck this, it will not launch anything. Is the installation process. So this is the installation process of Audacity. If you like this video, you can like the video, and also subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching. Now we are going to launch Audacity. First time it will launch like this. Click on OK and minimize it by clicking here. And in next video we will see how to reduce noise from your recorded clip or any other sound. So watch next video.